Alright guys, I don't know if you want to see my trip through the storm, but I'm just going to record it. Like I said, it just started snowing here in town, and I'm heading up a mountain, so we'll see how it goes. I got a big hill to go up. If I can get my phone propped up somehow. Hopefully, the heat from the defrost doesn't mess with it. I really don't want to have to hold it the whole way. I might have to turn you guys up like that. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be sketchy. Freaking thing. So yeah, I still got about 30 minute drive on nice roads. So far the roads are good. They're not sticky. I mean, they're not slippery. Sorry for my voice. I've been sick for a week. You probably noticed our videos haven't been that great. Well, they probably never were that great, but we appreciate our 300 subscribers very much. We're not sure why you're with us, but we do appreciate it, and we hope to bring you along on this journey we call life. So here's where we start, up the mountain. And I'm in a Chevy Malibu. I should have brought the Jeep, but I didn't realize it was going to start this soon. So I just got off of work. Well, here we go, going up. Hopefully it's not too bad, because I do want to get home at a decent time. Then I have to get the Jeep and I have to do some more running around, so. Not too bad yet. Oh boy. I'm going to stay in the fast lane, just in case it gets bad. I have a little speed. And it's considerably getting worse fast. I just want to make it home. I'm not spinning or anything yet, so that's good. Just a dusting. I'm sure as soon as I get up past the halfway line of elevation, it's going to completely get slick. Yeah, I'm starting to spin. And we got a ways to go. High beams don't do any good. Look at that. I can't barely see anything. Trying to stick to where there's a little bit of road left. Oh, and I got a long way to go. And I don't have snow tires. This is my mother's car. She doesn't drive in the winter. I was doing some work on my Jeep. We're not even halfway up yet, guys. Now I think we're about halfway. Here's where it starts to get bad. I don't know if I'm in my lane. I could be in the middle of the road. I'm just sticking to this one brown spot I could still see. Trying to keep the throttle low so I don't spin. Man, I wish I had the Jeep right now. Except for the headlights on the Jeep are no good. As long as I make it up the hill, we should be alright. And the steepest part is coming up. Almost there. Come on, Missy. My ears just popped, so that's how much of an elevation change we went through. Thank God there's that one patch, or I wouldn't even be making it right now. Alright, we can kind of relax. We got a couple more hills, but we're up the first one. Yeah. I can kind of see with my high beams. Hard to tell what's better at this point. Oh, it lightened up. That's good. Got a huge line of cars behind me right now. But who knows? If they want to go fast in this, they'll end up in a ditch. I could be saving their life. I just pulled somebody out of a ditch the other day. And also, I don't have four-wheel drive. But I'm going 35, 40. I figure it's better to be safe than sorry. Unless, obviously, you're going up a hill and you need some momentum. If you're in a little front-wheel drive car like me, with no studded snows. I can't wait for this cold to go away. And we're going up another little hill. So far, not too bad. I've driven way worse than this. Wow. Don't want to get caught by one of them. I guess it's been snowing up here for a couple hours, my fiance said. Well, I guess the hell was the worst. This really isn't too bad. Kind of used to driving in this stuff from New York, upstate New York. But it's supposed to snow. Today's Thursday. It's supposed to snow till Saturday. So we'll see what we end up with. I think this is Diaz storm. I'm not sure. Alright, it's coming down a little better. Big guy coming. Yep. Oh yeah, now we're spinning. Still going up in elevation. Brake check. Yep, it's pretty slick. Not the worst I've ever been in, though. Just something I do when I drive in snow, to test the road. I'm sure a lot of people do that. The camera really doesn't do it justice either. I mean, you could see it in the camera, but it really doesn't do it justice. Wow! I just completely couldn't see shit. That line of cars is gone. It looks seriously like the road just ends when the wind blows. Just the white dust covers the entire road. You can't even see anything. Blocks the headlights. I think it's a little easier to see with my high beams off, but I can't see as far. But it blocks out the snowflakes a little bit. I can at least see the sides of the road and signs and whatnot. Well, I'm not going to bore you guys with any more of this, but thanks for watching, and if you don't mind, helps the channel out, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks guys, have a good one.